Hello, you guys. So today I'm going to show you some bath bombs that I bought from Lush UK, including some toothpaste jellies. And these bath bombs that I'm going to show you are limited edition. They're all from the Lush Harajuku Japan store. And so Lush UK thought that they would bring them to their website so that we could have a chance to try these. And so here's one box with 3 bath bombs and 4 toothpaste jellies. And then here's another box with 6 bath bombs. And so now I'm just going to show them to you. So this first bath bomb is called Temple of the Sky. It's so gorgeous, the colors blue, green, and yellow. And Temple of the Sky is made with lemon and orange, and it smells so good. You know how when you get Lush orders, sometimes the boxes will have different smells depending on what kinds of combinations of products that you have in the box. This bath bomb really scented the box that it came in. It smells like a spiced orange. It smells really good, nice and strong, and I can't wait to use it because it's supposed to make pretty bath art. You can kind of tell because it's layered with different colors. So that's Temple of the Sky, and it looks like, looks like there's glitter in there. So I can't wait to take a bath with that. And when I do, I'll record it for you and upload it here to my YouTube channel. The next bath bomb is called Rose Clay. And it's the same shape as the Salt Gardenia one that I demoed here on my YouTube channel a week or 2 ago. Except this one is pink. It's a different shape for Lush. I kind of like the two-tone square shape. This one was made with bergamot and jasmine, and it has calming clay in it as well. So I bet that one's going to feel good on the skin. And then the next bath bomb is called Roar. And it's a dinosaur. And this one is made with green tea powder and peppermint. This one smells really nice. This one is subtly sweet. Very slightly sweet. It's not overly minty. You can barely tell there's any mint in it. But I can smell that nice green tea scent. This one is fairly strong too. And it's slightly sweet. This one is stronger even, but it's less sweet. The next bath bomb is called Tengri. It just looks really cool. Tengri. And this one is made with lemon myrtle and violet leaf. I like the combination together. I would not normally put lemon with violet, but it's nice. I can definitely smell the lemon, but I can also smell that violet leaf undertone. The violet isn't very strong in here. I would say the lemon is more prominent, but you can tell the violet leaf is in there if you smell it. So that's Tengri, Tengry. And then next is the Black Ninja. And this one has a lot of black and silver glitter on it. And this one has an earthy scent. very different. It's got geranium, which is floral, but it's got patchouli and labdanum in there to make it kind of earthy and woody. So I would call this an earthy floral. I bet that's going to make some gorgeous black glittery water. So I can't wait to use Black Ninja. And then my favorite of the bunch, my favorite looking and my favorite smelling of the bunch, this one is called Flight. Flight. Look how gorgeous. Just those color combinations are really gorgeous. And this one is made with the Yummy Mummy / roller scent, which is my favorite. This is the 4th bath bomb that Lush has made with the Yummy Mummy / roller scent. It's made with geranium and orange oil and tonka bean. And the shower gel of the same name has a strawberry juice in it. It just smells like sweet, like berryish, but orangey. And the geranium, you can't really tell that it's geranium. It just smells like something yummy and sweet. This one's sweet, and I can't wait to see the bath art that this makes. So that's Flight. And then as far as the tooth jellies are concerned, I got a Black Sabbath. There's a band from the 70s called Black Sabbath, so that's kind of cool. And the toothpaste jelly is black. Then this one is called Bluetooth. This one is made with lemongrass and peppermint oil. Lemongrass and peppermint oil. Black Sabbath is made with clove, orange, this one is made with clove and orange and tangerine. Then we have purple bananas. And this one is made with banana extract, lemon oil, cardamom, and chamomile oil. I can't wait to taste that. And it's purple. And then the strawberries and cling is made with rosewood oil, jasmine, lime, and strawberry extract. It's a nice color. And these are the toothpaste jellies, like the one that I reviewed here on my YouTube channel for candy cane for Christmas. That was a toothpaste jelly that was really, really nice. So I can't wait to use these and review them for you. So those are the products that I got from Lush. I should be getting my Lush Easter package at some point here in the next few days. And when I do, I'll make a video of those as well. So thanks for watching, and look forward to some of the baths with these that I'll record for you so you can see what these bath bombs look like in the tub. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.